a massive cock for sure.
A massive what?
4K Zay back it again with another video. We outside today. We're about to lay over Akbar and Kobe. They both got E36. They were about to check the cars and they were about to go to this meet. Shout out Chino, Multiple Motors. Love for him always. Most positive guy out here. Damn speed bumps on the road up here. Fuck Maryland. Yo. Yeah, I'm outside right now.
Alright, I'm about to come out. It's changing.
Nah, but ew. You don't need to tell me all that.
What do you mean I'm changing?
Ew, stop. Shut up.
Are you picturing it?
You gay, bro. Where Kobe at?
He said he's running late.
Oh, this nigga. Oh, God, we have the same wheels. It's okay. Akbar. How you been, bro? How's the father life?
Alright.
It's alright? Is it weird?
No.
You're not used to it yet? Or are you used to it now?
Why would I not be used to it?
I don't know. I wouldn't be used to having a kid until it was like 3 years old, you know?
How should you not?
Cause fuck kids. Akbar. Cause fuck them kids, man.
You are a kid, that's why.
I'm a whole 25 years old. Don't disrespect me like that. Clean up the inside a little bit. Got the subwoofy right there. Got the new thingamajigs.
So what is that one?
You really gonna hang your phone out the window, bro?
Fuck no.
Oh. You wanna keep it inside?
It's not for that.
Bro, make sure I record like the whole time during what's it called? The car meet.
Shit.
You don't think I'll record shit, bro? Well, I'm gonna get there and immediately get scared. Not scared, but nervous. Stage fright. Shit. Fuck this bumper side, man. Shit, I'm looking back at the footage. Might as well fix this while I'm here. This shit stay falling out. I don't care how much fabric glue I use. Stay falling out. You already know. Damn, this shit looks so much better. Yeah, we about to roll out. We just waiting for Coaster. This nigga's usually always the first one here. He's always here. I'm usually the last one. Yeah. Mr. Kobe. Outside, bruh. Yeah. And we got the F4 right here. It's Nate. I'm trying. What's up? I'm good. How you been, bro? Damn, man. I don't think I've been outside all year this year, so I'm all hype right now. Hey, mind your damn business.
This shit's covered in pollen.
Bro, did you see my post on my story, man? No. Look, hold on.
I washed it and then it just got ruined.
It just got ruined like that.
It is clean.
Got the carpet. Yeah. This is fire. I haven't been outside all year, man.
Hey, you know what? My foot deleted the Suburban. No, did he? Oh.
It's not as loud as you think it is, but
He did a muffler.
he definitely did do a muffler delete. Yeah.
Hey, you wish you had that motor in your car, man.
Nah, one day I'm gonna have an LS in there, bro. Either that or a turbo, but we outside with it. Akbar in front. Who's that?
What's going on?
Is that big man Glenn?
Let's go, man.
Hey,
Y'all's out here,
bro, I don't know where yours is, bro. Why'd you leave it there? Come on, bro.
Ask Kobe, he can fix it.
I think we did come a little too late. Got the stars inside? Alright.
I see you, that shit clean.
I appreciate you, bro.
We got flood me with a mod, boy. That shit sweet.
Hey, bro, we'll figure it out.
Tim! Can I get a haircut?
I need a haircut, bro. I need a haircut, bro.
This nigga's stupid.
Oh, yeah, that was right. That's nice.
That's fire, yo.
Forever.
He said forever. No, I'm in the middle of the road right now. Hey, bro, chill. Damn. I'm about to go say what's up to them in a second. Oh, he started going back again.
Hey, who is that?
Tracer, that's Gabe? Yeah, Charming Gabe.
Yeah.
I think that's his Instagram. I don't know people by their names. I only know them by their Instagram names. What is this, a Nismo?
It's a signature. I've never seen this car.
Holy shit. It's too dark, bro. That shit's clean. That's crazy. Dick in the back. Damn. This thing's valid, yo. Man, that shit's so clean. I need an R32, bro.
My sister's husband bought a Tahoe and did he did a tag and title. I would be mad as shit if I was like doing some Uber or DoorDash and pick up like those places.
Oh yeah, right now?
Right now.
I would have canceled the order when I got here. What? Damn, bro.
Gas fat.
Damn, that joint crazy, yo. Rich? What the fuck can you tell me? Smell me? Nigga, that shit out cologne. I'm in Europe with the tourists with a sell your phone. Like, ooh, sound like rich nigga problems. I get the bad bitch with a fist full of cow. They should be keeping that whole area open for real.
This should be a good guy. Actually, you know what? Let's do that. Bring some like blocks or whatever and charge people.
It's either that or scrape your card.
Venmo me, $5.
$5. I'll put this block on a little ramp over for you. Hey, no cat. That'll be smart.
Grand a year. I'm gonna make like one car bet where it's like I'll buy everybody their food, provide food, but you gotta show me your title.
Ooh! They almost. See, that S10 is fire, bro. Yes, sir. Is that an S10? No? Oh. That's just fire. Is that just smoking? Yeah, that's a pretty ass dog. Yeah, I need to get the medium out because look how dark it is. See, I need those rear wheels, man. The 8.5 contours. I don't hate on contours. I just hate the square setup 7.5 all around. I don't know much.
Is this yours? Whose is it? No. It passed through my card. I sold
He just asked, is it yours? He just asked whose his car is. Damn.
Yeah, this stuff probably.
Yo, this nigga fast as shit. That's a clean wagon.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you thought the E36 was? Oh. I was not pulling up with all that pollen on my car. I don't know if y'all saw that, but that's crazy. That shit was yellow. I want Connor's wheels. With Connor. Damn, I don't know how he does this shit. So I was doing a burnout, right? Or trying.
Kobe's like, no.
That's gonna be me? That's gonna be me? That's about to be me, yo? Cause I like that wide ass like rear fender. What are you doing here?
Getting some fucking chicken.
Oh.
I had no idea that. Is this planned?
Yeah, my boy hosts this.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
we're low-key so blown because we thought this was gonna be an empty place.
Oh no.
And Dimitri's over there. And I'm sitting here, I'm like, what the fuck is
Shit,
this?
I'm about to say what's up to Dimitri real quick.
I
That's
was like,
funny as
"Is
shit,
that
actually.
Isaiah?"
This is Jason's sister. See? I got out the house today, Melba.
I know.
We outside with on the first meet, bro. I said, like, Germantown way too. Hell yeah, bro. I'm so proud of you, gang. Hell yeah, bro.
You know, you
This is
day
nice
one.
turnout,
You
bro.
day one.
I fuck
You in
with
the
you, bro.
you in the first 15.
Hey, man. How you been? Life's good? What's up, bro? Oh, you selling them?
Yeah, me and my boy just.
You collecting them and sell them?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro.
Just chill.
Hell yeah, bro. I'm gonna keep looking around, gang.
Appreciate you, brother.
Take it easy, bro.
You too, brother.
This is crazy. I wish I kept my E46.
That honestly is good stuff.
That's dummy fire, yo. Full drift. This Accord's clean as shit, too. Damn. Nah, you good, man. I love me one of these. It has the same motor as the Huracan. Damn, man. That shit's clean. Sheesh. Next to another Nismo.
Honestly, if you asked me when was the last oil change I've ever done on, I wouldn't have lied.
Yeah.
Never asked.
I hope he did it as soon as he got it.
Your best day is my worst day. I get green like Earth Day. You treat me like I'm going.
Yeah, right here. This guy next to you needs to raise his car. See, man, I want to ignore wing like that sometimes, but I don't want to wing like that.
It's cool, but you gotta like pull it off, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta have like a race car.
You gotta do everything else and then the wing. You can't do the wing first. That'll throw everything off.
Nuts
Huh?
next to you?
Oh, he's grabbing his nuts?
Yeah.
Ew. Is that why I smell like cheese? That's why I'm staring at it.
Perfect daily.
I don't know shit about Hondas or anything. Is that no Toyota? Whatever. What motor?
Yeah, he's asking. Who's that are? Yeah, 2ZR. That's
Oh, okay.
got the fuck out of you there.
Hell yeah. That's fire, yo. I would have not expect that in this joint. That's tough. Yeah, this shit's fire, yo. Hell yeah. That's sweet. That's the bike you had? I almost bought one before the E36. That C300. God damn. Yeah, I almost bought one, bro.